Okay, I'm sorry I'm recording this with my absolutely awful quality camera phone, but I just got back home from karate, and there's a huge line of storms. I'm gonna catch one little flash of lightning on camera before I go inside. I can hear some after rumbles too. That. Got a car coming. Oh my god! Whoa, that was insane. Hold on. That was insane. You could see that through the cloud. I saw the lightning strike. It's moving at a very steady pace, so I'm going inside in a few seconds. Crap, that is moving quick. I don't know if you can see it up there, but it's moving. That's the thunder. Whoa! Hi, Mom. And my mom running over there. Hi. It's crazy lightning. I've seen 2 strikes now. They're absolutely insane. My mom just finished her evening run. Let's see, my mom's sitting over there. I'm making a video just so you know. Oh, there's another one. Oh, you did? Thank you. There was a great one just right through the entire cloud. I'm going inside in a few seconds.
There's been some very bright ones.
Yeah, I saw a strike with like right up through the cloud. I got it on video
That made
too.
me jump.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm actually. Yeah, I want to go inside now. I don't feel safe out here because that's the severe part of the storm up there. I'm just gonna grab. Hold on a second. Thank you for watching.